Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Bitcoin and a little bit about the markets while I turn off the lights slightly because I'm almost being blinded. I hope you're all having a great week so far. There's been plenty of opportunities in the market, so I hope you're all seizing those opportunities while not giving in to the FOMO. But no, in this video, I just wanted to talk about Bitcoin. We'll talk about some news. Yesterday, the US government sent quite a lot of Bitcoin to Coinbase Prime, presumably because they want to sell that. So we'll talk about that and kind of the effect that will have on Bitcoin. Will we actually crash because of it? Or just in general, will we even notice it? I mean, yesterday, this red candle right here, I would say was because of those sales. I don't know if they actually sold the Bitcoin, but I do think it was kind of selling off in the market because of that news. But in the end, we held 95,000 and we held the support right here. If you take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, plenty of opportunities have continued to come right here. The Bitcoin dominance retested support or resistance here, broken support, but it did not manage to get a retest. So it's starting to look more and more like it's really alt season. I don't know, some of you might say like, oh, the altcoin season has already started on last week. And maybe you're right, but I'm always a little bit conservative with these types of things. I've been through quite a lot with crypto, and I've seen times where the Bitcoin dominance looked very bearish, was not bearish, right? But this looks good, so there's plenty of opportunities regardless of this. And you can see it right here, 16 hours ago, they deposited about $2 billion into Coinbase Prime. You never know what they're going to do with that, right? So usually what it means is that there will be selling pressure on the markets, of course, but that could also be indirect. I mean, if some of you remember when the German government was selling Bitcoin in summer, it was mostly through OTC deals, right? So over the counter. So that does not go through the markets. And then when we're talking about something like it's a little bit less than $2 billion. If we look at Saylor, that's much more that he bought. So this was the buy from Saylor in bullish market circumstances. So how much damage can a $2 billion sale, which we don't know whether it's direct or indirect, how much can that really do to a bullish market, and how much has it done? It seems to me at the moment that it hasn't been sold off yet. So we could still have some bearish momentum. And overall, I don't really see Bitcoin as bullish right now. I mean, Bitcoin at the moment, when we look at the technicals, when you look at the volume, when you look at the momentum, it's flat, all right? We're consolidating. So that's also what I think is most likely for Bitcoin. But given that the market as a whole is still bullish and is still strong, because that is certainly still true, the volume has also increased to good levels. It's not enough, and there's not enough volume behind a bullish direction to expect a move into 100,000 yet. And I would say it's slightly looks more weak here. But then, yeah, we drop down into 94,000. Maybe if the US really starts selling hard, we drop into 90 or in 92 or 90,000. That is possible. And I think short term, it's also a bit more likely to get some sort of a push down. But for now, I would expect 94,000 to hold. I will keep you updated though when the US opens. Like if we really see elevated selling pressure coming from Coinbase, which you can track, right? So if we actually see that, if we see more and more selling from Coinbase and it kind of ramps up, and at the same point of time, the fundamentals are also not great, because the fundamentals yesterday were great again. I mean, stocks traded higher, NASDAQ traded higher, which is very important for crypto. Dollar strength index, still same story as yesterday, also still bullish overall, I would say. So those fundamentals and kind of the order flow on Coinbase will be interesting to see over the course of today. If that's bad, we could push down below 94,000. But for now, I would expect us to hold 94,000 and to hold this consolidation range right here for Bitcoin. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.